2025 Audi S3. Starting at $49. Overview. The Audi S3 sedan splits the difference between the sensible and appealing standard A3 and the intense and track-ready 401 HP RS3. This compact, all-wheel drive sedan's handsome, reserved exterior provides a nice foil for the roarty turbocharged four-cylinder found under hood. Audi has announced a mild power bump for the 2025 S3, an increase of 22 ponies and 15 pound-feet for a total of 328 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. There's host of additional updates including new engine management software that aims to counter complaints of occasionally laggy engine response. Numerous chassis revisions are intended to further hone its already sharp handling skills, and there's a sassy new drift mode. But the S3's story has always been about its remarkable balance, not only in terms of style and performance, but also the way its tasteful interior blends modern tech with decent material quality in a way that never looks forced or garish. It's a smart and sensible compact luxury sedan with an athletic side, a car that can cut and run when called upon but won't beat you up every day with a harsh ride or booming exhaust note. Its enthusiast-friendly personality has made it one of our favorites in a class full of fun-to-drive cars. What's new for 2025? The S3 receives a well-curated round of updates, all focused on elevating its performance. Horsepower and torque from the turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 are up by 22 and 15, respectively, for a total of 328 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. Likewise, the chassis, driveline, and software receive some massaging, including a new torque split system on the rear axle similar to the one in use in the RS3 that uses two clutch packs to enable variable output between the two rear wheels. Front-end tweaks include larger brakes with two piston calipers, revised geometry with different camber curves, and retuned steering. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Audi S3 is expected to start around $49 and go up to $56 depending on the trim and options. Premium. $49,000, Est. Premium Plus. $52,000, Est. Prestige. $56,000, Est. Audi hasn't released pricing for the 2025 S3, but considering the infusion of new hardware we expect a bump. That said, we think the price deltas between trims will remain consistent, and the Premium Plus will still hit the sweet spot. It has driver assistance features such as lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control and includes features such as memory settings for the driver's seat and wireless smartphone charging. Drivers who desire a head-up display and top-notch Bang & Olufsen audio will need to step up to the Prestige. Engine, transmission, and performance. Like its European sibling, the stateside S3's 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine is rated for 328 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, increases of by 22 and 15, respectively, over the previous model. A 7-speed automatic transmission and Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system are standard. During our initial test drive of this latest generation, we praised the S3's lithe handling and found its powertrain to be perky, eager, and sonorous. We did, however, note that the heavy steering lacks feedback and that there's considerable turbo lag when driving in the less frenzied comfort driving mode. From what we've learned, both observations should be addressed by the 2025 car, which is said to feature revised, more tactile steering and changes to the engine management software designed to improve responsiveness when driving in Dynamic and the new Dynamic Plus drive modes. Working in team with the new Dynamic Plus drive mode, the new twin-clutch rear differential can shift the majority of torque to the outside rear wheel to encourage rotation and maybe just a bit of recreational tail-out behavior. We'll report how this all works when we get a chance to drive the new model. 0-60 mph times. Audi is claiming a 4.7-second 0 to 60 time for the 2025 S3. However, the last Audi S3 we tested bolted to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds and covered the quarter mile in 12.9 seconds at 108 miles per hour. Given that and the 2025 S3's uptick in power and powertrain management software, it's not unreasonable to forecast the new car landing at or below the 4.2 second mark in the hands of C/D testers. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The 2024 Audi S3 is EPA rated for 23 mpg city and 32 mpg highway, and we don't expect these numbers to move more than 1 mpg for 2025, despite the power bump. Currently, it's more efficient than the CLA35 and right on track with the M235i Gran Coupe. When we get a chance to test the S3's highway fuel economy on our 75 miles per hour test route, we'll update this story with results. For more information about the S3's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The S3's cabin is nearly identical to the new A3's but adds some racier styling elements such as sport seats with quilted leather inserts and a flat-bottom steering wheel. The S3 uses the same toggle switchgear selector as the A3 as well. Audi offers the S3 with a more comprehensive set of standard features, though, including a panoramic sunroof, 3-zone automatic climate control, and illuminated door jamb scuff plates. Passenger space is slightly more generous than in the previous Gen S3, but the new car's trunk is smaller. Infotainment and connectivity. The S3 comes with a 10.1-inch infotainment touchscreen and a 10.3-inch digital gauge display. The screens run Audi's latest MMI software interface, and both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included as standard. Buyers of the mid-range Premium Plus trim can opt for the technology package, which adds a larger 12.3-inch digital gauge display, in-dash navigation, and a Bang & Olufsen stereo system. The top-of-the-line Prestige model gets all those same features as standard equipment. Safety and driver assistance features. Like most Audis, the S3 comes standard with several driver assistance features. More advanced technology is optional. For more information about the S3's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection. Available lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. Available adaptive cruise control. Warranty and maintenance coverage. The new S3 comes with the same standard warranty as the rest of the Audi lineup, which includes coverage on the vehicle's powertrain and a bumper-to-bumper policy that spans 4 years or 50,000 miles. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.